If this morning arrived before you felt fully ready, before your body had a chance to catch up with your thoughts, pause here for a moment. Nothing needs to be solved yet. This is simply a space to orient yourself inward first. I'm Rhea Rivers, guiding you through this gentle morning alignment. By the end of this meditation, your breathing will feel more organized, your attention more awake, and your sense of direction calmer and clearer. Take a slow breath in through your nose, allowing the inhale to expand naturally without effort. Exhale through the mouth, as if letting go of anything your system carried overnight. Again, inhale gently, and exhale fully. Noticing your jaw, neck, and shoulders soften. Imagine now that you are walking along a quiet shoreline just before sunrise. The sand beneath your feet is cool, firm, and supportive. The ocean moves beside you, steady, rhythmic, unconcerned with speed. The sky is layered with soft light, not rushing toward brightness, but opening gradually. Breathe in, feeling the reliable rhythm of your steps. Exhale, and notice how your breath begins to synchronize with the environment. Ahead, a simple wooden bench rests near the water's edge. Weathered, stable. Present without asking anything of you. You sit down. As your body settles, a quiet realization begins to form. You are not behind this morning. Your system is simply orienting itself. Inhale slowly. Exhale with ease. Repeat gently in your mind. I'm noticing that when I slow my pace, my nervous system organizes itself naturally. The sound of the waves grows more spacious. Your thoughts feel less compressed, less urgent. Another insight rises, quiet, grounded, and true. Clarity isn't something you force. It's something that emerges when pressure eases. Breathe in. Exhale slowly. Repeat softly. I'm realizing that clarity appears when I stop overriding my internal signals. The morning light begins to reflect across the water, softening edges, expanding visibility. Nothing is demanding action yet, only awareness. A deeper understanding settles into your chest. Your mind doesn't need all the answers for your body to feel capable and steady. Inhale fully. Exhale gently. Repeat in your mind, I'm beginning to see that I don't need immediate certainty for my system to feel safe and responsive. You stand now, stepping away from the bench, bringing its grounded presence with you. The shoreline feels familiar, supportive, open, dependable. Another realization becomes clear as you move forward. A sense of control grows when internal pressure decreases, not when effort increases. Inhale slowly. Exhale completely. Repeat gently. I'm noticing that calm focus is something my body already knows how to access. The sun now lifts higher, illuminating the path without pushing you along it. One final insight settles, clear, stabilizing, and empowering. Sustainable momentum comes from alignment, not acceleration. Take a slow, nourishing breath in and a long, unforced exhale. Repeat softly. I recognize that when my system feels safe and oriented, clarity and confidence follow on their own. Feel this understanding integrate into your posture, your breathing, your awareness. When you're ready, open your eyes, bringing this calm, organized clarity with you into your morning. Subscribe and join the R&R Story Meditation community for more immersive, restorative morning resets.